This text on your photo looks impossible to remove, but in the next 2 minutes, you'll delete it completely using a free online tool. No Photoshop, no software. Let's start. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Photopea and open the first website. Now drag and drop the photo that contains the text you want to remove. Next, select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar. Hold the Shift key, then click on the text you want to remove, selecting it piece by piece until all the text is selected. Now go to the Select tab at the top, click Modify, then choose Expand. Set the expand value to 5 pixels and click OK. Next, go to the Edit tab, click Fill, choose Content Aware, then click OK. Photopea will automatically replace the text with the background. Now go back to the Select tab and click Deselect. The text has been completely removed. This is the before image, and this is the after image. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to my channel for more simple and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.